Hi, Dad here. A little cold here in Vermont in the morning while the heat's kicking in. I hope everybody's doing well out there in these extraordinary times. And we're homeschooling our kids because I'm working from home, and so is my wife. Both our schools are closed. We're both teachers. And the first thing we stumbled on while my kids were playing in dirt, because it was sunny here yesterday, even though it's chilly, and viscosity came to mind because they found some clay like dirt and they were mixing it up in water and making it like thicker or thinner. And then I suddenly remembered when I was a kid and I went to kind of an outdoor school, we used to be into matchboxes, of course, but then we were into making roads in an old foundation, the side of an old foundation, crisscross switchback roads. And then we would find the right kind of dirt to pave the roads and let it dry so that it was a perfect road. So I did a viscosity lesson. They didn't know it was about that till we were getting into it, and I would say that's a lot of viscosity, which is what? Which is the consistency of something because of internal friction. So thick or thin. It's a wonderful time, even if you only have an hour, to teach kids in a really calm way without the chaos and noise of a classroom. And you can teach with anything. You can have four objects on your table during dinner and do 2 plus 2 and 2 minus 2 with those objects. So there is a silver lining to this unusual time, and stay hydrated and healthy out there. And don't forget to subscribe and let me know what I can do to help.